So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. So as we all know that Tech Mahindra is going to hire 16,000 plus fresh graduates in this year. So if you are a fresher and seeking job opportunity in big MNCs, then you must apply for this role. And also you must watch this video till the end. So in this video, we'll be discussing about its eligibility criteria, the selection process, and the job role. So before discussing about the job role and eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates regarding latest off-campus types and the job references. And also if you want to apply for other latest off-campus types, then you can check out our official YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So here you can see we have already uploaded minimum of 50 to 60 videos regarding latest off-campus types. So you can check each and every video according to your interest and eligibility. You can apply through the link provided in the description of these videos. So you can see before 8 hours ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, we have applied. So please apply for the jobs before the job roles expires. So now let's discuss about the job role and eligibility criteria. So the company name, as we all know, Tech Mahindra. Job location, they are hiring across India. That means Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata. Then job position, they are going to hire for the associate software engineer. And experience required is freshers. Experience is not required for this role. Then qualification required, BE, BTech and MCA only. Then branch, only the computer science background or the stream like computer science, CSIT, IT and the electronics background. That means E&C or telecom, communication, electronics, etc. Other non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil are not eligible for this role, or chemical, etc., textile, etc. They are not eligible for this role. That means only computer science background and the electronics background. That means circuit branches. Then batch, only 2020 and 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible for this role, unfortunately. Other year of pass out candidates like 2019, 2018 or 2022 are not eligible for this role. So please don't apply for this role. They have strictly mentioned this thing. So it's a system generated thing. So system will automatically catch all these things. So if you are not eligible, then simply they will not consider your application. Then salary. So salary will be getting 3.25 as usual. So interview location, it's a remote interview process from your home itself. We can attend for this drive. Then note, remember one thing, this is not open for the candidates those who have passed these courses, that means BE, BTech or their degree prior to 2020. That means before 2020, if you have completed your graduation, then you are not eligible for this role. Then eligibility criteria, so you must have achieved minimum of 60% throughout your career. That means it is not applicable, or the non career candidates are not eligible for this role. So you must have scored minimum of 60% throughout your career. Then in case if you have done diploma after 10th, then you must have scored minimum 60. For both diploma and 12th, it is same. That means 60% is mandatory. Then the interview process. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you will be invited for the online test in 1 to 2 weeks. That means 7 to 14 days from the date of your registration. So suppose you are doing registration today, after 7 to 14 days, within 7 to 14 days, you will be receiving a test link. That means interview link. So the candidates clearing the online test, that means first interview or the written test, will only be invited for the next level of evaluation, technical and HR. That means one written test followed by technical and HR test. So if you are interested and if you are eligible, then you can apply for this role in their official website. So here you can see this is the official website. Here you can see it is for fresh registration, or if you have already registered yourself for this drive, then you can click on the already registered. So if you are not registered, then you need to click on here to register option. So after clicking on this, you will be redirected to the application form. So here you can see all these things. So this is the declaration form. So you need to check all these things carefully. So here you can see first thing is the branch. As we discussed earlier, computer science, IT, E&C, telecom, etc. Then 60% throughout your career. Then the PIN number will be generated to your mail ID registered with us. So all these things you need to note down the registered PIN ID. So because later you may need to put all these things while attending that interview. After checking all these things, you need to click on that I have read all the instructions carefully. Then you need to click on the continue button here. So I hope you get a clear idea about the interview process or the selection process and the eligibility criteria. Here you can see prefix university and enrollment number, that means here roll number or the registration number. So here you can see you need to put your marital status, date of birth, all these the basic things you need to provide. So after providing the details, like if you have completed or done your post graduation, then you need to click on this checkbox. Otherwise you can uh, remove or keep it as blank. Then engineering graduation and the science graduation, if you have done diploma, then click on this checkbox. Then you need to click on the register button once you have done with the details. So all these the mandatory things you need to fill up, the star mark things. So once you have done, then please click on the register, and once you have done with the registration, then you will be receiving a pin in your registered email address. Please note that pin, and also you can star the mail so that later you can refer if it is required. So I hope you got a clear idea about the registration and the selection process. So if you're facing any difficulties while registering or applying for this role, so you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So I'll be providing this link in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this role or register for this tech challenge before it expires. So thank you for watching and all the best for the interview.